A brand increases its AOV by 72% without spending an extra dollar on ads. They didn't launch a new product, they didn't launch a new website or funnel, they just tweak something, checkout or upsell or something. Nothing. This just sold what they already have in a smarter way. Let me show you how you can apply it to your business too. Most brands try to scale with spending too much money on ads, but without a good offer. It's a weak offer. You are like pouring water into a leaky bucket. One of these, our favorite example is a Dope Beauty. It's a cosmetic brand. They were already doing average order value of $22, and the ad was solid, the funnel was solid, all of the things were absolutely solid. But they wanted to scale without burning a lot of money. Instead of just pushing harder, they asked a simple question: how do we make people spend more money on our product without realizing them? And this is the question they asked, and they literally changed the way they were doing game. Here's what they did in a step by step. They took three most loved product, bundled them under a single theme name, priced it around $38 for all three instead of $69 individually, added urgency with a limited tag, positioned it as a self-care gift set. That's it. No new product, no problematic funnel, no website, no something creative and nothing. Here's what just happened. AOV jumped from $22 to $38. ROAS nearly double. Ad spend same, exactly same. Bundle didn't just increase AOV, average order value. They make easier for the customer to buy simply, and the only decision they can make. So that's why they buy easily, effortlessly. So they didn't have to choose what to buy. So they get it all by better price for a limited time. So why did this work so well? First, cognitive is few decisions equal to more sales. Second, perceived value. I'm getting less for more. Third, urgency. Limited time equal to impulse trigger. Fourth, positioning. It felt like a premium product, not a normal deal or discounted something. Isn't about bundling. It's about strategic bundling with the right time, with the right positioning, and the right psychology with the product. You always don't need a new product to scale. You just need a better strategies to sell more. If a brand stuck at the plateau, ask yourself one simple question: what would make my customer eager to spend more without thinking twice? Because the best brands don't just scale with the brute force approach. They scale with a smart strategy, just like I said. One of the example of Doe Beauty, the cosmetic brand example I have given you to understand the strategies, the importance of strategies. They scale with the same product but different offer architecture. If you want 7 more advanced tactics like this, I have put together in a free one report. You will check out in the link in the description. This is the only report you need to scale your e-com brand, and this is not a flub. This is the real strategies in the report. And here's the video where I talk about how to maximize your sales without much effort. Now check out.